Friends, continuing the Workpaper series where we are learning hands-on skill on what a testing workpaper looks like and how to document a testing workpaper for different control areas. Today we'll cover the next control area under logical access ITGC category, which is account access review or user recertification control area. So let's dive into that second tab on the spreadsheet, which talks about the user recertification control area and how to document the workpaper around it. So we'll go through all the fields in the workpaper. First one is the date, the process area, which is again under logical access ITGC category. It's the account access review or user recertification control area. The date on which the testing or assessment was performed, that's 14th of Jan for this specific sample workpaper. Name of the process owner, which in this case is James Cobb, the application lead for financial reporting, which is our system in scope for account access review or user recertification. The assessment or coverage period is 1 full year from January 1st through December 31st of 2023. The testing or assessment is being performed by Rachana Ghai, who belongs to the internal audit team. Overall risk when it comes to user recertification control area is around unauthorized access, because that falls under the logical access ITGC category, so that's the broader risk we are trying to cater to. The total population, given that the review is being performed quarterly, the total population we have for the 1 year period is 4 quarters, so that is our total population, and we will be testing the full population here, so there is no sampling being performed, which becomes not applicable. Completeness and accuracy check. Again, the parameters used to generate the listing of accounts every quarter along with their roles and permissions in the application, they were reviewed to verify the accuracy. So how we generated the listing of accounts on a quarterly basis along with their roles and permissions, the parameters used to do that was verified. Those were verified to verify the accuracy of the report. And the completeness was verified by comparing the total number of accounts resulting from the parameters being used with the number of accounts in the listing provided. That's how we confirmed there was no account missed. So that's our standard completeness and accuracy check for any ITGC testing.